Data Jockey, Machine Learning for Victorian Racing. Wednesday, 19 August 2026, Race 8 at Sandown Lakeside. Let us get going. Right here is the quick summary for Race 8 at Sandown Lakeside, and this is one worth paying attention to. Two selections from the model today. Proven Sold is the place selection. That is the top pick, the one the model is most confident about. And Dubai Dancer is in the same race multi as the top 4 selection. Not a standalone place selection, the same race multi only. So if you are short on time, there it is. Proven Sold for the place, same race multi combining both. But do yourself a favor and stay with us, because what the model is seeing in this race is genuinely interesting, and understanding it will help you make a more informed decision. Let us break it down. Race 8 at Sandown Lakeside, 15 runners, the top 3 taking the place dividend today. Interesting one to start with. The model's selection lines up with the market favorite this time. When the data and the crowd agree, that is meaningful in its own right. Two selections from the model today, a place pick and a same race multi-combination. No forced picks here, only genuine value, and today the model has found two worth your time. Quick context before the picks, since how this works matters for understanding what follows. The model driving these selections is machine learning based, trained on Victorian racing, and it never stops updating. Every race meeting adds to what it knows. That is different from a static system built once and forgotten, and it matters because racing patterns shift over time, season to season, even track condition to track condition. The real differentiator, though, is the target. Most tipping approaches chase the winner. This model chases place finishers instead, horses landing in the top positions, paying a place dividend. Different target, different method entirely. It is processing dozens of variables across the whole field simultaneously: pace, distance, field makeup, historical patterns, how each runner matches today's specific rivals. All at once, in combinations that are well beyond what manual analysis can realistically track. The full methodology is linked in the description if you want to go deeper. Right now, though, Race 8 is the focus, and the model has a strong view worth walking through. Let us get into it. Pick 1 for Race 8, Proven Sold, and notably the market favorite this time. That alignment between the model and the betting market is worth a mention, since it is not the usual pattern on this channel. Proven Sold fits the place finisher profile strongly enough to rank first, which tells you the data and the crowd are reading this field the same way. No certainties here, though. Racing never offers those, alignment or not. As usual, there is no single clean reason behind the ranking. The model is not built that way. It is weighing dozens of variables across the whole field simultaneously: track conditions, distance, field composition, patterns built from thousands of Victorian races, all at once. What matters is the purpose behind the model. It exists to find place finishers, not winners. So when a favorite tops the list, it means this horse matches the historical pattern of horses finishing in the places under conditions like today's. A different question to who actually wins, and that distinction shapes everything about how this model was built. Proven Sold for the place, top 3 in a 15-runner field, is the model's view on Race 8. For entertainment purposes only, please make your own informed decision before placing any bet. Pick 2 is Dubai Dancer, currently 9th in the market, a different style of selection to Pick 1, worth clarifying up front. The model views Dubai Dancer as likely to finish in the top 4, but is not confident enough for a top 3 finish on its own. That distinction is the whole point here. The data falls short of supporting a standalone place selection on Dubai Dancer, but it clearly supports the top 4 role inside the same race multi. It can sound like a minor technicality, but in a 15-runner field, it is anything but. Top 3 pays a place dividend, 4th pays nothing. So backing Dubai Dancer as a standalone place selection is not what the model supports. Its value lives in the multi-combination. Put simply, the model is saying Dubai Dancer belongs in this race and matches the shape of a top 4 finisher in this field, while a top 3 finish specifically remains less certain. The multi only needs top 4. Proven Sold in top 3, Dubai Dancer in the top 4. That is the model's combination for Race 8. Here is the same race multi for race 8, proven sold finishing top 3, Dubai Dancer finishing in the top 4. Check with your wagering provider on availability for this market. Before going further, worth being precise about something, since these two bet types get mixed up easily. They are not the same kind of bet, and they do not carry the same odds of landing. Proven sold as a standalone place selection is the higher probability option. The model has stronger confidence there. The return is smaller, but the chance of it landing is greater, and that is the model's primary read on race 8. The same race multi is the longer odds path. Both legs need to come in proven sold in top 3 and Dubai Dancer in the top 4, which makes it less likely overall than the place bet by itself, but the payoff if it lands is meaningfully larger. Neither is compulsory. The place selection on proven sold carries the model's strongest signal. The multi exists for those interested in the higher risk, higher reward option. Whichever you go with, understand clearly what each bet actually requires. This is for entertainment purposes only. Please make your own informed decision. Following along with the full card today, every race has its own video, all sitting in the playlist, uploaded before race 1 kicks off. Worth checking the other races to see which selections line up with your approach. Some punters like to combine several of the models' picks into a place multi. Your wagering provider will have the details on how that works. Always make your own informed call before placing anything. One more important point, check for scratchings before you bet on anything. They happen on race morning and can change a race completely. For race 8, the model's place selection is proven sold. The rest of the card is sitting in the playlist if you want to keep going. If you have not subscribed yet, this runs for every Victorian meeting, every race day, completely free. And that is race 8 Sandown Lakeside done. The place selection is proven sold, with the same race multi-combination sitting at proven sold top 3 and Dubai Dancer top 4 for anyone chasing the longer odds. Results are tracked and posted publicly every week without exception, every good week and every bad one included. That ongoing record, built up week after week, is the fairest way to judge whether this model is genuinely worth following, rather than taking any single claim on faith. As always, this is purely for entertainment purposes. Please make your own informed decisions and gamble responsibly. See you in the next video.